Gonna do a little simple lunch. Tuna melt, Captain B's style. If you don't know, Eat This used to be Captain B's Grinds and Cocktails, but we decided to change it. My dog liked the name, so we went with it. Let me show you. It's simple. It's a spicy tuna melt sandwich that is extremely tasty. If my son didn't wake up so late and just have breakfast like 30 minutes ago, he'd actually be standing right here with me. But it's Labor Day. He slept in. Gave him the day off. Let's do this. 1 can of tuna, for me, accommodates a nice hefty sandwich, so I usually go with the concept that I'm going to be using 1 can of tuna per sandwich. Depends how hefty you want your sandwich. Drain your tuna. If you got fresh caught tuna, well, God bless you. See if you can get your tuna out of the can. 1 good spoonful of mayonnaise. Pinch of salt, fresh ground black pepper, dash of allspice, some dried oregano, a little bit of thyme, but not too much thyme because I'm hungry. Ha! That was a dad joke. And top it off, a little bit of spice with some crushed red pepper and mix it up. Set it aside. Get you some sliced sourdough. Butter generously. Hop on over to your grilling platform and heat your, whatever this thing is, your griddle. We're gonna go with a low heat. You wanna always do your sandwiches on a low heat so it heats up the inside, melts the cheese, and the outside doesn't get burnt. I know a lady, very smart lady, very pretty lady that taught me that. Butter side down. Insert tuna. On sourdough, doesn't pile up as heavy, but that's all right because this is going to be beautiful. If you were doing regular white bread, it would be much thicker. Top with some provolone or your favorite cheese. Top with another slice of your sourdough. This sourdough came out a little funky. I don't know what happened to it, but that's all right. And we're just going to let that grill for a few minutes. Again, about a medium low till the other side is perfectly grilled. About 5-6 minutes in, should be beautiful. Spank your tuna. That's beautiful. Side 2, about 3 minutes. It usually grills up on the other side a little quicker. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Take it off, plate it. Don't forget to turn your burner off. Eat this. Captain B's Stylee. Tuna melt. Deliciousness. Did you hear that crunch? Did you hear the crunch of the sourdough? It's perfect. You can top it off with some lettuce, tomatoes, onions, whatever you want. Pickles, I don't know. Pepper jack cheese would be great, but I'm out of pepper jack cheese. So there's a Captain B's spicy tuna melt on the Eat This Grinds and Cocktails YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like it, share it, and eat this. Mmm. Cheese pull is good. That sandwich is great. Have a good Labor Day.